Hello and welcome to our UEP Device Updater training video, part 4. In this part, we will talk about the PLAN switch. We would highly recommend watching our preparation video before this. In the first chapter, we will show you how to connect properly. To connect, we need to unplug the other cables first. Plug in your Ethernet cable into the right port. It is very important that the cable is as good as possible, so we don't risk a loss of connection. Now, plug it into your laptop. In this chapter, we will show you how to flash a PLAN switch. For that, the PLAN must be in flashing mode. This can be recognized by looking at the orange blinking of the right port. The PLAN is not findable in this state. First, go to Flashing and select Flash Device in Network. Click on the three dots next to Device Image Archive and select your previously downloaded image. We have the additional option to create a new Balena UUID, which we will do in this case. Click on Start Flashing to begin the process. Make sure you don't lose connection, because losing the connection can break the device. Once it's finished, we can find the device again by pressing Reload Devices. In this chapter, we will show you how to export the XML file from SCM. For this, we need the Stingray Control Manager and the project. In our case, the project is already open. First, select the device you need. Now, select the XML Configurator button. Select Config Device Specific in the file selection above the parameters. Make sure that proxy is activated and the gain is adjusted to -118. For now, this must be adjusted manually, and if you adjust it manually, you must press Save. Now, select Create Device Configuration. This config will be saved in the SCM project folder. Click on OK. This will create 3 files inside the device folder: the network JSON, the NTP JSON, and the permission JSON. Inside the network file, we can find the Ethernet address of the device. The NTP file dictates the IP address for the time synchronization server. The permission file is connected to the certificate and contains the project number and name. In this chapter, we will show you how to reflash the PLAN switch. First, the device must be findable. Select the devices you want to reflash. Go to Flashing and select Reflash Device Image. Click on the 3 dots next to Device Image Archive and select your previously downloaded image. We have 2 additional options now. One to create a Balena UUID and one to automatically re-upload the configuration files. Click on Start Flashing to start the process. Creating a new Balena UUID is, in almost all cases, not recommended. This process can take up to 7 minutes. Once it's done, we will lose connection, but the device can be found again by pressing Reload Devices. In this chapter, we will show you how to download the configuration and log files. The device must be findable with the UEP Device Updater, otherwise the download is not possible. Find your devices and select the devices from which you want to create a backup. Go to Actions and click on Download Config Files. To download the logs, go to Actions again and select Download Log Files. You can find the download files again by pressing the 3 dots on the device and selecting Open Config Files folder. In this chapter, we will show you how to upload all configuration files. To be able to do this, we need to connect the device. Select the device you want. Go to PLAN and select Upload all config files from local SCM folder. Select the correct PLAN config file. A window will pop up showing the files that will be uploaded. Already existing files will be overwritten. We have the option to send a reload config command to make the device automatically activate the new configuration. In this case, we will not select it. Now, select Upload all files. To make the device activate the config, go to Actions and select Delete Update Log. Now we can send the reload config command by going to Actions and selecting Send Reload Config Command. Since it has a new configuration, we must find the device again, and we can see that it has a name now. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our UEP training videos. Don't forget to subscribe.